Boys and girls, today's lesson is on page 165. I'm going to go through the example at the top. Today we have a whole number, which is not 1, it is 4. We still have to rename this. We have to have a fraction here to subtract a fraction from a fraction. So we're going to mark out the 4. We're going to name it as 3 and 3/3. Now, the way we did that is we took one whole away from the 4 and we renamed it as thirds because this denominator was already thirds. I put equal marks, equal marks. I put my 3 and 3/3. I subtract my 2/3. 2 from 3 would be 1/3, and I bring down my 3. My answer would be 3 and 1/3. Now, if you will go to number 1A, 1A, 1A. We have 2. We want to take away 3/4, and we certainly can do that. We take the 2, we borrow 1. It becomes a 1 and, let's name it as 4/4 because that denominator is already 4s. I put equal marks, equal marks. I bring over my whole number, which is now 1, and I named it as 4/4. I did not change the value of the 2. This is still worth 2. I just named it as 1 and 4/4. I take away my 3/4, and I would have 1/4 here, and my whole number 1. Let's go to the next problem, number B. I want to take away a half from 6. I want to name this as a mixed number, which is 5 and 2/2. That is still equal to 6. So I have equal, equal, 5 and 2/2 minus 1/2. 1 from 2 is 1/2. I have 5, and I circle my answer. That is all for today's lesson. Continue on that page. If there are any problems, please call. Thank you.